What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, in Ohio, we pretty much lost all of the leaves. Everything's cold and it's just snowing. The nice thing about the weather change is we get a chance to do some updates on our fox bodies for a few months and get those upgrades done that needed to be done a long time ago. So if you're curious about what we got going on today, stick around. Let's go get the trailer hooked up. We got to go on a little bit of a mission.
So we had the floor glued. We were doing prep
Are you serious? I'm in the right shop right now because we are headed to Chardon, Ohio, where one of our buddies who owns a fab shop is going to be updating some of our equipment on our fox body Mustang, specifically my white turbo fox body. Now, we've had a couple things on the white turbo fox body that has been needing to be updated for a number of years now. So we get an opportunity here with the weather change to go ahead and get that fixed and get that taken care of with a buddy of ours who's very good at fabrication. So we have been waiting on some material at the shop, and he told me he was going to call when it comes in, and it's been about a month and a half, 2 months, but like everything else, everything's on back order, and the price of material is just through the roof. But these sort of things, these sort of safety and these sort of update things on your chassis need to be get done, especially when you start trying to go faster. And to be honest with you, I think it's going to go ahead and make the car a little bit, stiffer when we decide to, go a little bit faster next year. So let me get this thing hooked up. Let's head on down to his shop and get it unloaded. Still got the white fox body in here from when we raced last, so nothing's moved. We're just gonna go ahead and unload it, and he's gonna go ahead and get started on it. So stick around. So we have arrived here at the shop. Pretty nice little setup out here, huh? Let's go in here and see what's going on. Hello. Got a camera in my hand. Is that okay?
That's fine.
What are you guys doing?
Good.
Button. This is Stevie McBride.
How we doing?
And that's Stevie McBride.
Big and little.
Big and little.
Big and little.
What are you doing on this back here?
What am I doing?
Is that the bird?
Yeah. What's left of it?
What do you mean what's left of it? You chopping it up?
Yeah.
Wow.
Bad case, tube front end.
Tube front end?
Yeah.
Are you going to stay on hard tire this year?
No, sir.
You're just going to go small tire, go faster?
Kind of the goal.
Don't steal my turbo kit. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Probably make your own, huh?
No, my main goal, I want to do drag and drive stuff.
Oh yeah, the hauling that shit. I don't know.
Yep, drag week, Midwest drag. Nothing.
And that's your car over here that you run.
Yeah.
You've been what, mid-fives in that car, haven't you?
No, 640s.
Yeah, but that's a budget, or that's a bracket car. It's a
That's it.
deadly bracket car.
Yep.
Can't beat that thing. Double O lights.
Pretty much wherever you go.
Get beat.
It isn't,
Yeah. Donate. Donate to my cause.
Nah, pretty much. I mean, for the most part, it's within 100 or 200, no matter what track we go to.
Did you get some material?
Yep.
Is that what we were waiting on over here? So if you guys don't know on the channel, what we're going to end up doing is we're updating the cage. The McBrides are going to be putting inch and 5/8.
Yep.
We're going to get the halo put in. We're getting the pillar bars put in. Are you putting the dash bar?
We don't have to unless you want to.
It's a little bit of a pain in the ass to get that dash out.
Yeah,
You don't have to have it.
If I remember it, it's either 12 or 24 square inches.
Yeah.
You're allowed to modify the firewall before you're required.
Required.
So we just won't put it in. We don't put it in. I say that now. Be all up on the side of a wall and be like, probably should have put that damn bar in. As I'm walking to the ambulance. Let's pretend I didn't say that.
I didn't hear nothing.
Right. So We should be able to 850 cage with this, right?
Yeah.
Because I got a chrome molly in it now that Steve did, not this Steve, but a very good fabricator. He just doesn't do it anymore. So he doesn't do any fabrication. Otherwise he would have finished the cage. And I'm not gonna stick my little fingers on it and up the welds. I spent a lot of money on that cage, you know what I mean? And then I'm spending more money with these guys to finish their, finish it out. So we'll be ready for 2023.
Yep.
How many weeks do you think it'll be? Couple weeks?
What, 2? Yeah, 2.
Okay, cool. Well, let's get it out of the trailer and get it in the shop. Racing is definitely done. We could do some no prep in the puddles.
Yeah.
You would probably do it.
It was raining and we were trying to test for a race. So we had the floor glued. We were doing prep
Are you
burnouts.
serious?
Yeah.
I'm in the right shop right now because they could do a little test hit right here in the fucking shop. Excited to be able to get this thing updated. Hell yeah. Woohoo! All right. What's your plans? Is to go up here and do the halo bar here?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, hold on, let me go to the other side.
Halo barrel.
It's for the film, Steve. It's all foggy now. Go ahead.
Yep. So the halo bar will come off of the main hoop.
Okay.
Come forward up to here.
Okay.
And then we'll bring these out right into here.
So you're going to be going through the speakers, which I don't have speakers anyways. So
right.
I'm going to cut some of these at home to go through it and go around it or whatever.
Okay.
So there's I don't have a heater box back here, and you could move. Like I said, take the computer out. You can move this stuff and move it back. You can see where this, this cage went to. He did a really nice job with this chrome molly cage. Yep. I'm very happy with it. It should sort out pretty easy.
Yeah.
But and then you're gonna come down this one here too. Yep. And if you guys don't know what a halo bar is, it'll come around and attach to the pillars. Yep. So if the car ever flipped, at least my head won't get crushed. One of the problems I was having is I like these seats, but they're not much heavier, but I got to get the brace. I got the brace in the trailer, but I got to put the brace on.
Back brace.
Yeah, this thing was bouncing all over the place when I was at my last no prep.
Oh yeah.
Because it isn't mounted like it. It's funny how you learn this shit when you start really kind of competitively racing.
Yep. It's crazy how stuff what you don't notice, and then you start noticing what moves and what makes noise.
Yes. So I was trying to tell my channel, I mean, honestly guys, this stuff should have been done. If you get an opportunity when you're racing, whether it's stick shift or automatic, it doesn't really matter. Should be one of your #1 mods. It's not only for safety, but honestly, we've been riding dirty for a while in this car, and this should have been done a long time ago. Like I said, I didn't want to mess up the nice cage that I had already had in it. So I'm putting my faith and my trust in the people that I know do really good work, and we're going to be able to get this thing updated. But this will actually make you go faster if you don't have it in it because of the chassis stiffening. Yep. Because of the rollout and the fact that, your car, even though you're adding weight to it, but you're adding structure to the car, especially in a fox body. And hell, even with his Thunderbird for that matter, wasn't it? Oh yeah. Kind of like just a unibody tin can shit. Yeah.
Like mine.
Sometimes unnoticed stuff.
Right. Go ahead. So you can see here.
Mine comes down, got the windshield bar, and then goes through there. And then when I did mine, I put the sill bars.
Oh, okay, the seal bars. So this is good for 850 or faster?
It'd be good for 850 because it's mild steel.
Okay, but chrome molly and Dokal is.
Yeah.
So what's the material you're using? You say Dokal?
Well, it's gonna be chrome molly.
Oh, you got chrome molly now.
Yep. Chrome molly.
Nice.
The Dokal.
Impossible to get.
right now, tubing is impossible to get.
The materials alone, and that's what I was telling the channel while on my way here. Is just the materials themselves is.
And that goes for everybody everywhere. Everybody's struggling to get stuff.
Well, that's like camshafts, right? Camshaft and stock, and then crankshafts. Guys, it's not the you know, it's not the manufacturers. It's the stock.
Yeah.
And it's the stuff on the shelves that they can create stuff for you to buy.
And it trickles down, and you know, everybody that is up there makes everybody down here look bad because everybody wants everything done yesterday. But you know, when you can't get what you need, you know, it's hard to please everybody.
That's right.
So, you know, planning ahead is huge. You know, right now, probably on average, you're at least a month and a half to 2 months on some stuff, if not more, just because you can't get raw materials.
Right. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all I got for you for this video. We're here at McBride Racing. They're gonna finish up and update the cage. You got to look out for Stevie and his sloppy seconds turbo Thunderbird next year as he gets it together. It's going to be a nasty little car. The car's already been 5, so if you guys could give me some pictures of you putting some of this stuff in, that would be cool. Just a couple pictures of here and there for the video. That would be cool. But if you guys enjoy this sort of stuff as we get this car updated, so I can actually pass tech half the time, then hit that like and subscribe below. Let me know what you guys think. Check out that join membership for the channel membership, yada, yada, yada. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.